In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use enhance images in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pick a photo in your design and quickly improve the way it looks using Canva's built-in tools. Let's start from inside a Canva design that you already have open. This could be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or even a thumbnail. On your canvas, look for the photo you want to improve. It might be a background image or a smaller photo placed on top of other elements. First, click directly on the photo. You should see a border or selection outline appear around it, sometimes with small handles on the corners and sides. This tells you that the image is now selected and ready for editing. If you don't see that outline, try clicking again, making sure you're clicking on the image itself and not on any text or shapes nearby. With the photo selected, look towards the top of the Canva interface, just above your design area. You'll see a toolbar appear with different options related to the element you've clicked. Among those options, find the one that says Edit. This button is your gateway to all the image adjustments Canva offers. Click on Edit. When you do, a panel will open, usually on the left or right side of your screen, depending on your layout. Inside this panel, you'll see different categories like Adjustments, Filters, and Effects. This is where you can enhance your image. Even though our steps are simple, this is a powerful space. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with it. From here, you can explore tools such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness to bring out more detail in your image. You may also see one-click enhancement options or presets that quickly improve lighting and color. A helpful tip is to move each slider slowly and watch how the photo changes in real time. If you go too far and things start to look unnatural, just drag the slider back or use the reset option to return to the original look. Remember, you can always click away from the photo to see how it looks as part of the full design, then click it again and choose Edit if you want to make further tweaks. With just those two actions, clicking on the photo and then clicking on Edit, you unlock all of Canva's enhancement tools and can turn a flat, dull image into something much more eye-catching and professional.